today we're up at Latchetts Lake and we're after the Wells catfish. There's two lakes here. This one's Margaret's Lake. You can see it's got 16, 18, 19, 20 swims on it. And in here, there's more the bigger carp and silverfish. I think there's some perch in here and stuff. Well, it's got it. Oh no, it hasn't got it at the bottom there, but yeah. And there are a couple of catfish. But the lake you want, if you want to come for catfish, is this one here. And this is John's Lake. And this is where the bigger catfish in here are in here. I've had them up to £68 in here. And my favourite method here is float fishing. But people do ledger for them. And they use like the halibut pellet and stuff like that. But my favourite method is to float squid head over by the island in the little bay, and then sort of halfway between the island and the bank. So we're giving it a go. Let's just see what happens. That's right. Sort of go the other way a bit now. That's it. Just try and aim him the other way. Go on, mate. Keep it nice and tight. Give it to him. Lift up, lift up. Right, I better go in and get ready with the net. There we go. First catfish of the day. Simon, a respectable 30. Did you enjoy that, mate?
Yeah.
He gave a bit of a tug, didn't he? Keep him high sticking him. High stick, just hold him there if you need to. If you feel it go slack, then that's when you just wind. But at the moment, just hold him, high stick him. Try and keep his head up, let the rod do the work. You know all this. Right, we'll bring you back when it's on the deck. That's it, mate, you got it. Well, there you go, Si. £55. Lovely. Happy?
Happy, yeah.
Happy, happy? Cheese. Okay, we'll take a couple of steals now. A good fight?
Yeah.
It's hard, wasn't it? They're hard, aren't they?
Yep.
So, is that your biggest fish
ever
that you've ever caught?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, well, you got me so many of my first fish, haven't you, mate? You know, it's so nice for me to be able to return the favour, really. I'll never be able to thank you for everything you've done for me in the last, well, 16 years or whatever, Si. So I'm just happy to return the favour, mate. Let's go and have a look in his mouth. Ooh. There you go. Pleased as punch. So it was finally my turn to hook up. I don't know what it is, but it's bent the hook out. You can see that there. It's bent the hook out and it come off. So yeah, Catmaster hooks. We need to have a chat. Anyway, get it back out and see what happens. It's definitely got a bit quieter, isn't it, mate?
Yeah.
And the fact that I can't hook a fish doesn't really help, really. I swear you've been blunting all my hooks.
Yeah, blame me.
That picture of my bass?
Yeah.
I've got to try and beat that next year. Come on, one of the floats. Just go. Go under. Oh, look at that. We was about to pack up. And Simon, Bluebeard, as he's affectionately known, no boasting, just catching, is the slogan of Beluga. Christ. God, that wind is terrible today. Let's get ready to bring in his... Oh, Christ, sorry, mate. Bring in his fish for him. Oh, where is it? Out there. Oh, yeah, gotcha.
Yeah, it's probably bigger than I thought.
Oh, really? Just, you'll bring it, try and put your rod up a bit. You don't want to make the same mistake as me.
Heaven forbid.
Exactly. The master angler, that. Captain Pussy. Shit, I shouldn't have said that out loud. Right, I'll come and net it for you. Right, I think this is going to be this for us. Right, there you go. Simon's finished his day with a nice 35-pound. I was going to say conger eel then, but I don't know why. Wells catfish.
Similar.
There you go, mate. Hey.
Hey.
Nice way to finish. They are peculiar fish, aren't they, with that little eye and the old whiskers and that. I think they're a cute ugly.
Yeah.
You know, they are a cute ugly.
Yeah.
But yeah. Right. Well, that's it now. It's all wrapped up. I've just dropped Simon home. At the end of the day, I think he's had a good time. As I say, he's not only caught his biggest catfish today, but he's also caught his biggest fish ever. So, yeah, good going, good going. I'm knackered now and I've still got a long drive home.